Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Chandana Pavan. Today we are diving deep into the role of UX designer in a project. So this is going to be a detailed walkthrough about the responsibilities of UX designer. Whether you are new to UX or looking to refine your skills, this video will give you a clear understanding of what a UX designer does throughout a project life cycle. So let us jump in. So number one, understanding project goals. The first step for a UX designer is to understand the big picture. What is the project trying to achieve? What are their goals? Who are the target audience? Like this. This involves collaborating with stakeholders, mainly business leaders, product managers, and developers. You sit down with them to align on objectives, understand the target audience, and define what success looks like through KPIs and UX metrics. Imagine this as setting up your compass. It will set your direction to go further. Without understanding the goals, you could end up designing something beautiful but completely irrelevant to the project and to the users also. Number two, conducting the user research. User research, which is the foundation of UX design, plays a crucial role in designing the experience. Why we have to do the research? Because we are not designing an application or portal for ourselves, right? We are designing it for the users. So it is the crucial part. This means diving into their world through interviews, surveys, and sometimes we even watch how they use existing products. You might also perform competitor analysis, where you study similar products in the market to see what works and what doesn't. These insights gathered here are golden because they guide everything you have to do in the further steps. Number three, creating user personas and journey maps. Now we have completed our research and now it's time to make sense of it, because we have to analyze the patterns and insights from our research. User personas are fictional characters based on our research. They represent key user groups and their goals, challenges, pain points, and their behaviors. And then there is this journey maps. These visualizes how a user interact with the product. It helps you identify pain points, frustration, and opportunities for improvement at different levels. So this is about user personas and journey maps. So number four, ideation and problem solving. In this phase, we collaborate with our team, developers, product managers, sometimes even with the users to generate ideas. The goal in this phase is to solve the pain points we identified earlier in our research. A critical part of this step is prioritizing the features, because not everything can or should be done at once, because we have to tackle this one by one. So we focus on what will deliver the most value to our users and the business. So we have to maintain the business goals at the same time users' needs. Number five, designing the wireframes and prototype. Wireframes are like the skeleton of your design. They are simple layouts that outline where content, buttons, and visuals will go. Once the wireframe is over, once it is approved, then we go to the high fidelity mockups. Once they are done, we go for the prototypes. These are the interactive mockups that simulate the final product, so that the business will know, okay, this is how it is going to be once the development is over. So these are called prototypes. So we'll move to the next section. Number six, conducting usability testing. Alright, now we have our prototypes and we have everything ready. What's next? We have to test them, right? Usability testing involves real users interacting with your design. The goal here is to find out what's working and what's not before anything is built. Because there are two types of usability testing. One is summative and another one is formative. Formative usability testing is done between the phases before the final product is ready. And once everything is done, we go for the summative usability testing, so which will test the entire product. We might discover that a button is too hard to find or that users don't understand a feature. This feedback is crucial for us to iterate the design and improve our designs. Number seven, collaborating with developers. Once our designs are ready, it's time to hand it off to the developers who develop them. As a UX designer, we have to ensure that our design is implemented accurately by providing clear specifications, assets, and guidelines to development team. This collaboration, please remember my friends, doesn't stop after the handoff. We cannot simply sit and, okay, I have done everything and I moved it to the development team. We have to work closely with developers to address any challenges and ensure the final product aligns with the design vision of the business team. And number eight, ensuring accessibility and responsiveness. A great UX designer makes sure their designs are inclusive. Accessibility means designing for users with disabilities, such as ensuring color contrast for the visually impaired or adding keyboard navigation for those who can't use a mouse. There are different conformance levels in accessibility guidelines. We'll discuss them in detail in next videos. We also design for responsiveness, making sure our product looks and works great on devices of all sizes, from smartphones to desktop, laptop of any resolution. So, this is ensuring accessibility and responsiveness. Our work is not completed yet because we have to monitor and optimize post launch of the product too. Because it doesn't end, our job doesn't end when the product launches. We have to use tools like Google Analytics or Hotjar or some other tools, whichever that the business team provides, to monitor how users interact with our product. Are they clicking on the right things? Where are they dropping off? Are there any critical journeys that we can even more simplify? So we have to ask these questions and work on them. Based on these insights, we make improvements to enhance the user experience further. So there you have it, the role of a UX designer broken down into 9 detailed steps. From understanding goals to monitoring post-launch performance, a UX designer is the glue that holds user experience and business objectives together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into UX design. Let me know in the comments which of these steps do you find most interesting. I'll see you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.